Okay, the perfect beach bag, the perfect pool bag, the perfect go to the park bag, whatever you're going to do, the Splish Splash Stash collection, you are absolutely going to love it. It's going to hold everything you need, visible, accessible, and cute too. So the Splish Splash Stash is going to come with the 2-inch wide shoulder strap, the big base pouch, the small square pouch. Inside the small square pouch is a pen pouch. I'll pull that out in a minute. The little round pouch, and the cash pouch. This is the perfect way to go anywhere, right, and carry almost anything. So I've got all of those things. They're all organized. They're all together. Now, on the outside, I've got my small bag, my square pouch. So, and there's money in my cash pouch. I could always just turn this around and carry it this way if I don't want anybody to see what's on the front side. So keep that in mind as you're organizing your Splish Splash Stash bag. I'm going to go to my overhead here so you can see. Oh, and you're also getting the extra connectors, which you definitely want for this configuration. So you can see I've used multiple rings right here to connect my small square pouch. I use multiple rings here as well. It just makes everything hang better and it looks a little bit cuter. So you are getting the 16 rings and the mini pouch, the half circle pouch that they come in when you buy the Splish Splash Stash collection. So what do I have in here? I have cash in my cash pouch, cosmetics in my little round pouch, in my small square pouch. Now the lid on the small square pouch opens the same way the lid on the big pouch opens. Got to unzip it though. And it'll reveal everything that's inside there, right? So even if you have a giant phone like I do, right? Comb. And then I've got my reading glasses. This is the pen pouch. It's included. I've got my reading glasses tucked in there. I could also connect it here. I could connect it here. I could just hang it off the side. So one of the great things about Perfect Pouches is that you can configure them any way that you want. So inside my big base pouch, I have a full-size beach towel, a book, sunscreen, water bottle. So really, if you're going to the pool or you're going to the beach, it is a great way to organize and transport all of that stuff. And the other nice advantage to this is when you're at the beach or the pool, you may be very comfortable leaving your beach towel and your, I'm trying to unhook this here, your beach towel and your book and that kind of stuff at your chair or in the sand. But when you go for a walk down the beach, what you don't want to do, or you're at the pool and you're going to the snack bar, or you're doing something like that, you don't probably want to leave your money and your valuables there. Well, then you can just disconnect your small square pouch. You can actually even take off your big shoulder strap, hook that onto the small square pouch, rings, and now you have got a small crossbody that you can walk down the beach with, go to the snack bar, do whatever you're doing. Leave the things that you don't really care about or that you're not really worried about there on your chair or in the sand, but take your valuables with you. Now, again, I've got my money showing here, right? You don't have to have this on the outside. You could tuck it in. But remember, you can also just turn that bag to you. So the things that are valuable are against your body rather than out there for the public to see. So this collection you're going to love, kind of a dual purpose, Splish Splash Stash. You are getting the big square pouch. You're getting the cash pouch, the little round pouch. Inside here, again, the pen pouch, the small square pouch, and the 2-inch strap. All of that is included in the Splish Splash Stash collection of Perfect Pouches. And you will find that on our Perfect Pouch page on our website. There's a QR code somewhere here that you can scan to get there quickly. Thanks so much for tuning in. I know you are going to love having this collection for getting out and doing things. I mean, you could even put a blanket in here, picnic in the park, all those things. You're going to love it. I bet you could also get a bottle of wine in there. I'm going to have to work on that. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon.